Hi friends, let's learn colors and numbers from 1 to 10. Here's number 1. It's pink. Pink like a yummy strawberry ice cream. 1. Pink. Perfect. This is number 2. It's red like a fire truck. 2. Red. Great job. Number 3 is next. It's orange like a pumpkin. 3. Orange. Well done. Here's number 4. It's yellow like a banana. 4. Yellow. Perfect fit. Next is number 5. It's green like a leaf. 5. Green. Great. This is the number 6. It's seafoam green like a shiny jewel. 6. Seafoam green. Nice work. Here's number 7. It's teal, like a colorful bird. 7. Teal. Perfect. This is number 8. It is turquoise, like a tropical sea. 8. Turquoise. Great job. Next is number 9. It is blue, like the sky. 9. Blue. Perfect. And our last number is 10. It is burgundy, like a grape. 10. Burgundy. Wonderful. That was so much fun. Do you remember the numbers and colors? Let's say them again. 1. Pink. 2. Red. 3. Orange. 4. Yellow. 5. Green. 6. Seafoam green. 7. Teal. 8. Turquoise. 9. Blue. 10. Burgundy. We did it! We counted from 1 to 10 and learned colors. You are amazing! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.